This video shows you how easy it is for you to do remote temperature monitoring with the Valarm app. The Valarm app runs on Android devices and is compatible with a variety of sensors and integrates with the tools.valarm.net website. We recommend using a dedicated device so you can leave it in the field for your scenario. This is a USB temperature sensor made by Yoctopuce. The plastic enclosure has vents as well as holes for easy mounting of your sensors on various surfaces. We also use double stick tape or adhesive-backed Velcro since the sensor is really light. In order for you to do remote temperature monitoring, you first get the Valarm Pro app from the Google Play Store. Once you've installed the Valarm Pro app, plug in your sensor and launch Valarm. I'm using a Y cable here that allows you to charge a phone at the same time as talking to USB devices like sensors. You can get one at shop.valarm.net. Now go to the All Settings screen, and then you're going to click Yoctopuce, followed by Yocto-Meteo and Light. Turn on the Yoctopuce sensors at the top if you haven't already. Use the Scan All button to see what the current environment is like. Use the sliders to set the maximum and minimum temperature values. If the temperature goes above the maximum or below the minimum, you'll trigger an alert, which you can monitor and view on the Valarm Tools website and receive the alerts in a text message. You can also go back to the settings screen and turn on the interval timer to trigger alerts at your desired time intervals, for example, every 15 minutes. To see your sensor data uploaded to the web, watch Valarm's video on web integration and linking your device to tools.valarm.net. Now you can set up SMS or text message alerts by going to SMS Remote Control Settings. Turn on SMS Alerts at the top of the screen. If you do custom SMS alerts, you can choose which Valarm sensor triggers will send you text messages. This is useful if you want to have the interval timer record your environment's temperature every 15 minutes and upload your sensor data to the web, but at the same time you only want to receive a text message when the temperature goes above 100 degrees. You do that by only checking the Ambient Temp checkboxes in the custom list and leaving the interval timer box unchecked. Back on the main SMS settings page, you can set an SMS Throttle, which allows you to set the maximum rate at which the device will send you messages. Click any of the question mark buttons throughout the Valarm app to learn more about that feature. Enter up to 3 phone numbers to receive Valarm alerts. At the bottom of this settings screen, you'll also see the remote control settings, where you can set a password for remotely controlling your Valarm device by text message. For example, you can send your device a text message to arm or disarm at any time. See www.valarm.net for more info about remote control commands. Now you're good to go. So back on the home screen, arm Valarm. Once Valarm is armed, your device is monitoring the temperature sensor. If the temperature goes above your custom maximum or below your minimum, then a text message will be sent with the temperature and current location of the Valarm equipped device. Here I've breathed my hot air onto the temperature sensor and triggered a max temperature alert on the dedicated Valarm device. I receive a text message alert on my personal phone that tells me the temperature has gone above 75 degrees Fahrenheit and also tells me the exact location where this happened so I can see it on a map. You can get more info about this at valarm.net, or if you have any questions or comments, feel free to email us at info@valarm.net.